Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday the 11th, and by golly, we're looking at some warmer weather here. After a morning like this morning, we'll take that, and dry, nice conditions, no ice, snow for a while. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Demopolis, looking right down the mighty Tom Bigby River. Bright, sunny afternoon. There's the Gulf Shores Skycam. Wouldn't it be nice to be down there this weekend? Before you know it, it's going to be spring break time. That's the view from the Phoenix All Suites overlooking the public beach, looking back off to the west down toward Fort Morgan. And from Gadsden, off in the distance, you can see the Coosa River winding its way through the eastern part of the city on a sunny winter afternoon. Still got the trough over the east and the ridge over the west, but the whole thing beginning to collapse and de-amplify. And that's going to set the stage for a warming trend. These numbers are at noon. Hey, we've hit 40 in Birmingham. We can celebrate that. 37 at Cullman, 44, the warm spot at Montgomery. And around the nation, look at those 40s over Nebraska. Yeah, it's a sign of warmer weather coming up. A little tongue of milder air coming up through Texas. And again, those folks out there, they might be pushing 80. In fact, we're forecasting 80 for our radio station down in McAllen. And even Dallas-Fort Worth might be approaching 80 at some point next week. And a lot of the snow will be melting over Oklahoma and Arkansas after amazing cold this week. It was as cold as 31 below zero in Oklahoma yesterday morning. Coldest ever on record there. Watch warning map. Quiet. QPF chart. Quiet. Unless you're in the Northwest. Pretty big numbers out there. Check the 12Z GFS. This is noon tomorrow. Little energy east of here, northwest flow aloft. It's dry. And again, it's going to be a great day. Sunny. We're expecting a high up in the low 50s as the warm-up starts to kick in nicely. The GFS shows 52 Sunday. Both models coming in now with low 60s. The GFS at 63. Yeehaw! Monday of next week. Looking good with low 60s. A bright sunny day. There's Tuesday. Mid-60s are likely. Wednesday, a little moisture starts to come back. We'll leave it dry. We'll call it partly sunny with mid to upper 60s. There's Thursday of next week. Again, that ridge is nosed in from the east, and that'll keep us dry, we think. Upper 60s. And Friday of next week, look at the 588 ridge over the Gulf. That looks like summertime, doesn't it? Big trough out west, and accordingly, down below, we're pretty quiet. The GFS a week from today is suggesting 71, and keep in mind, you know, the GFS skews toward climatology, and the climatological high would be about 60 this time of the year, so we might see mid-70s in there toward the end of next week. Wow. A few more days later on the 22nd, again, the 588 bubble is over the Bahamas and Cuba. Big trough out west, but the ridge is the story here, kind of keeping all the active weather to the north and west. And at the end of the month on the 27th, zonal flow. Little trough coming through here, but again, there's no moisture, and again, no cold air. So this run of the operational GFS looking nice and quiet for the next 2 weeks. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by Monday morning at 7. My video, Brian Peters, will have the updates both tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.